What's good? It's your boy Cap Yaps, and I'm back to react to another NFL highlights video. Today, we got the Ravens versus the Steelers. If you didn't know, now you do. I am the biggest Steelers fan in the chat, if you didn't know. So you know what I came here to do. Watch my squad destroy. We not coming for nothing else. You feel what I'm saying? So let's get straight into it. I don't want to waste nobody's time.
Which means if you're going to sell out on that, use it. Throw the ball early.
Here they give to Derrick, and he steamrolls for a first down.
I ain't gonna lie. I seen a comment earlier this week talking about we had to worry about Derrick Henry giving a stiff arm after stiff arm, this and the third. Today we put all that to rest. All of that bull jive is to rest tonight. Black Nike cleats. Oh Lord. That's oh man. Run that back.
Lamar going deep. He's got Flowers open, and he makes the catch. Inbounds, they say. What a play by Zay Flowers.
Right here, you would have to watch out for the legs of Lamar, right? Faking it, keeping it, throwing it, anything.
From the pocket, going to the end zone, and it's knocked away.
Lamar think he finna just be dealing on us or something?
For a flag, doesn't get one. Perfect inside of 50. This is 36 yards. And the kick is good.
Yeah, take your humble three, man. Take your humble three. AR, we back. Come on, show me something this week, man. Whoa, we going up top? DK? 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 We going up, we taking the top off? The Steelers? Taking the top off? DK? Catching? Okay. There it is. We connecting deep. Let's go. Good work, boys. Touch push. Yeah, touch push. Oh, this is a great fake. They are taking off at 40. At 40. Okay. All right. We starting off hot. They did this the last time. I gotta be calm because I'm gonna mess around and get too excited. You gotta be calm the whole game. Steelers with the Steelers, you never know what's gonna happen. Get more. Huh. Let's go, Eccles. That's what we need, man. AR, show me, son. 3rd and 5. I know I'll be hating on AR and shit. And this is, you know, it is what it is. I know I'll be hating on dude, but his release is beautiful. That just looks so good. Anyways, back to the game. I don't want to spend too much time complimenting Aaron Rodgers. He got to prove it to me first. Whoa! Whoa! Yo! The Steelers taking the top off these boys. DK getting... Wow. Yo, all right, DK. Yo, DK having a ball. He having a ball. Yeah, baby. This is my Steelers, man.
And we see a marker out. Presence. Defense number 12. The penalty's half the distance to the goal with an automatic first down.
I just want to see my squad get sitchy. We need a win this week. 6-6. We both got 6-6, so we got to do something. We got to show these boys we nothing like these Ravens. Oh my God. We nothing like these Ravens.
11 years of being reliable.
Getting late in the season, man. We got to turn it up, man. Turn it up. Kick it into gear. Get after him. Oh yeah, Lamar getting out of there. Steven! Steelers getting itchy. Close him in. Close him in. Give me this. Stevie Central. We need that. It's my boy Pierre, man. So inspirational. Come on, AR. What we got, man? We got to capitalize on that turnover. Just beam it. I know you want to. I know you. Yeah. Yeah. Beam it, y'all. Ooh, yo, that release is pretty. Bro, but I don't think we should have went over the top there. This isn't the time for that. Go for two. We're not going for it. Stop being conservative, man. Go get it. It's 2 yards.
Well, flag is out.
Flag.
At the 10-yard line. This looks like it might be on Baltimore. Pittsburgh's pointing.
Baltimore. Awesome. Let's go.
Yeah, he was actually on the opposite side right there, but both guys do the same thing. First and goal.
Let's go. It's going to be a free score. Yes, sir. Gainwell. Get to the outside. Easy. Easy. What was y'all talking about, man? Dudes trying to make me think that the Ravens finna come through and punch on us like they good or something. This ain't the Ravens of old. Come on now. We still the Steelers now. We ain't been playing that well, but we still the Steelers now. Don't get it twisted. I've been so frustrated with this team, man. I just want to see a spark. I just want to see a spark, man. That's it, man. Give me something to hope for, you know?
And I like to spread out formations because you can keep it right here.
Get after him.
Yep. Complete. Flowers got about 9 out of it. Someone's got to stop Lamar coming out here. They need more than a field goal here as Henry takes it to the 13.
Derek.
Fake it to Derek.
Hit Lamar.
Jackson.
Yo, Lamar really be dancing back there.
Right across the middle.
Like, he just tap dancing in the backfield.
Getting his hand back, whether it's a penalty or not, you can talk about it, but getting back so it didn't look like face guarding. 3rd and goal. Jackson.
Oh, yeah, that's too easy. Come on, that's too easy. That's just way too easy. I could have closed my eyes and knew that was going to happen. You giving him a direct running lane, like, oh yeah. Spy took off. Yeah, that was risky right there, Pat.
You leave this area open, vulnerable, because TJ Watt goes outside thinking we have a.
That was risky.
With only 16 seconds remaining in the half.
Uh-oh.
Got away from him. No,
we got a miss.
Wow.
Miss PAT in the building.
It is from the 40 after that kick sailed out of
Beam something, AR. You got time, though. Come on, make a play. DK getting crazy. DK getting right. Yo, he popping it. He popping it. DK getting right. Oh, yeah, gang. Go rush.
How good is this guy? I'm telling you,
DK is popping it. He having him a little game. If you could do this all year, man, we be in good shape. We will be in good shape, DK. You gotta just, I mean, it is, you know what, I don't want to go there. I want to be positive. We have a little lead, like, let's be positive. I don't really want to. Oh, yeah. Jabril, what are you doing? That was Jabril Peppers, right? I believe so. Yo, that boy Keaton Mitchell, I've been saying, he tough. He's so tough. Bro, I think in the last Ravens video I was talking about him, like, Keaton is something else.
4 yards out. Jackson from the gun. Taken off. Nope, now throws.
Oh, that's too easy, bro.
It's likely for the touchdown.
Here we go. Now we got a game.
Patrick Queen, when Lamar was not able to run, now you've got to allocate resources to a spy. They're trying to help him. Good job.
Now we got a game. Let's go! What? My Steelers, man. We rolling. Give me a few. Yeah! Yeah! Jalen Warren. Yo, we rolling on O. What's going on? We having a day. We having a day. We having a day. Aaron Rodgers is having him a day.
yards and a touchdown.
Like, what's happening?
Watch this. We're gonna have two guys
Little screen, is that what that was? Not even, just a little check down.
Two wide open players.
That's tough.
And that's literally just miscommunication.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
There to Henry and Jackson. Design play to the 48 of Pittsburgh.
Look at that. He's getting faster.
Come on, let's get a stop, man. I don't want to see us blowing no leads. None of the sort, because you know we professionals at that. That's what we do best.
Seconds running down in the third quarter, and there's a big
That's some tough running right there.
for Henry down to the 15-yard line.
To take away. Now Derek's not in, but you have the
That boy Henry, he a big motherfucker.
They fake it to
God.
Ali, and they throw it sidearm to him. And
Track that boy.
Down to the 10. Oh, was he down? I'm not sure he was ever down. They rule him down at the 10.
Watch the legs.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, Patrick. Oh man. Oh wow. Bateman got butterfingers. You gotta bring that ball in first, pal. You can't do nothing without the ball, twin.
28 yards.
Come on now.
It's good, and we got a one-score game now.
If you're going to double team Metcalf here, watch out for Gainwell going up and breaking out.
Show me some AR. 3rd and 11. Terrible. I don't like this score.
What's that like to be a gunner?
I don't like this score because this is what we do the best. We sell. Damn, man. Come on, bruh.
And the Steelers defense holds on to him.
Roll out to the left.
They go to Henry, blockers in front, and Derek's got the first down at the 19-yard line. And up off the right side.
They're coming after him.
Come on.
Jackson backpedaling.
Come on.
In trouble, and
Good D.
Complete in the area of Andrews.
Come on. I'm fine with that.
And the kick is good. With 7:10 to go.
This is uncomfortable. Like, this is just uncomfortable.
Rally underneath with some blocking scheme. That'll be a screen in the middle.
Fakes the screen. Now comes back to it to Gainwell. Ravens are waiting. Ravens.
3rd and 19, bro.
Decks him after a pickup of 4 or 5.
Love these opportunities.
Henry starts the drive.
Like, oh my God, Steelers, bro. I just smell a cell.
Getting stronger by the
And the thing is, I know if they come down to score, we not finna come down to score too. Like,
here's the throw. He's got Flowers, and he's got the first down with Ramsey.
professional sellers. That's what we do on our free time. Just sell games.
Down the middle. He's got him.
Come on, man.
On Ramsey. He's still on his feet.
Damn it, Ramsey.
You're going to scrape over and take Lamar. You could throw a ball quickly.
They go to Lamar. They got a flag down as he is dropped for a loss of 2 or 3. 4th and 5. He's already scored once.
Get a stop, bro.
Looking, dancing, looking, throws, incomplete at the goal line.
Oh my God, yo.
The Steelers defense makes the play.
Up here, off coverage, you get one-on-one. I think
Holy
look at
crud.
the slot quickly, some slant quick.
Look at his way, incomplete. Humphrey on the coverage.
Only one timeout, touchdown, a lot of yards.
Can't take a breather with this team, man.
Lamar decides to take
50
off,
seconds, come on.
2 yards short
End
of
this
first.
game.
They better hurry up.
I would use it.
Yep, they do.
Going to take too long to get back up and snap that. Would have taken him almost to 30, probably 35 at least.
Ali is the running back. Going to help protect. Lamar in trouble. Has to get rid of it. Finds Likely.
In this game.
It with 2 hands, and they got a first down with the clock running. 58 yards from the dream comeback. Here's Jackson. Zips it.
Oh my goodness.
It's Kohler with the catch.
Not sure I love
Watch them find a way.
down here, but they're going to block it up.
Jackson sliding, rolling, throwing. He'll take a little bit of it. That happens in the middle of the field with a tackle. The game would be over.
Saying get back, get back, get back, get back.
Here you
Take
go.
the outcut right away. They're taking
7
the shot.
seconds. They're running after him.
Oh my God, thank you.
They end the game with a sack. Highsmith.
Thank you. Thank you. Pittsburgh at last. Finish the goddamn game. Oh my gosh. How about them Steelers? How about them Steelers, man? Um, Overall, I'm happy with what I saw. The offense was flowing. I mean, it could have went either way. Bateman dropped that touchdown, so that could have definitely, well, that would have definitely changed, the outcome of this game probably. Um, and I'm happy to say we got the job done. I still feel how I feel though. I'm gonna just keep it a buck. The Steelers got a lot of work to do. I don't think we're gonna be relevant come playoff time, but happy to get a divisional rival under our belt. But yeah, I don't have too many positive things to say. Just good win and next week. Thank y'all for tuning in. Be sure to catch me on every platform under the name of CapYaps, CapYaps. That's Instagram, TikTok, whatever you got. I'm there. And see you in the next one. Thank you. Oh man, I guess not.